Good morning, everybody. There, it's a lot easier to talk. C46 taxiing away. Another C46 loading behind me. Double C46 up the Mackenzie Valley today. Welcome back. Welcome back. It's been a while. It's been a couple weeks since we last seen each other in June 6th. I promised an update, so here it is. So, folks, let's go check out this C46, and then let's go back inside and talk. Look, everybody, it's Chuck. Chucky, how's it going?
Not bad, yourself?
Were you watching Plane Savers?
Oh yeah, I watched not all of it, but some of it. Yeah.
What would you think?
Well, that last episode, man, I don't know, a little touchy.
A little touchy. You know?
Yeah, it was actually hard to look at. I know what you went through with that, that's for sure. It was pretty good, man.
You knew Uncle Ronnie could pull it off, eh?
Oh yeah. Oh, yeah.
What do you think? Were you thinking? Do you think it was possible?
No, I thought it was. Yeah, I thought it was going to happen for sure. Why wouldn't it happen?
Yeah.
We got enough time around this stuff, picking them up off the ground, you know. We're a bunch of amateurs. We should have went and got that B-17, eh?
The B-set. Oh, you mean the B-29?
Oh, is that 29?
Yeah, the Keybird. Yeah, the Keybird. Everyone knows about the Keybird.
I know, man. What a mistake.
So what's on with the Electra?
On with the Electra's going flying today, going loading.
LFR is getting some new spark plugs today.
Going to put some spark plugs in. You know, a little TLC, eh, buddy?
You
That's all they need, eh? Just like old guys like us, eh?
The funny thing was, 56 days in Montreal getting the DC3 ready, whole 9 yards, about 1,000 people showed up, 100,000 people watched the last episode, you know, just to see DC3 start up and take off. The day I got back, the old man had to do some training. So,
oh, yeah.
And he was, I didn't want to go. And LFR just goes up there, fires up, goes flying.
Yeah.
Nobody notices.
I know. It's unreal, eh?
It's unreal. To me, that's the power of story.
Oh, yeah, for sure, yeah.
You got one like DTD doing its first flight in over 30
Well, people are not
years.
used to seeing this stuff flying around anymore, too, down south.
Yeah.
See, every day, it's an everyday thing up here in the north for us. But down south, it's a big thing.
Well, even the two C46s. So the one C46 is just taking off now. The other 46 is loading. You're not going to see that.
No, man.
In fact, I think Everett's, who are Everett's Air Cargo, Air Fuel, are awesome down in Alaska. Yeah. I think they're only using the C46s for fuel. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure.
How many do they actually operate?
I do not know. They're watching, so they'll probably tell us in the comments, hopefully. But I think they're only using them for fuel. So these might be the only cargo 46s left in the world.
Probably.
Like handmade cargo. But the ones in Alaska could easily be converted back to freighters. But
well, they're operating a lot of piston pounders.
Yeah,
stuff, eh?
they're
actually
crazy.
Pretty big, eh? They're into the jets and everything, eh?
Oh yeah, they're pretty impressive. You guys haven't
Are
heard
they anything like the McBryans?
No.
Are the Everetts like the McBryans, man?
They probably have a lot more organization than we do.
I don't know, man. You sure about that now? We're gonna have to go over and have a little tour of that place.
Oh yeah, for sure. Hey, that's a good episode.
Yeah, we should go over and have a tour. I wouldn't mind seeing that place, man. I know they got a lot of stuff, eh? Yeah. They've been around a long time, those boys.
A long time, yeah.
They ever operate Electras? No,
No. Well, Revolution there.
I know, yeah.
But I don't know. Well, no, let us know in the comments. Yeah, let us know in the comments.
Tell them we're on the way over too, Mike. I want to check that place out.
Okay, all right, so I'll let you get back to her.
Yeah. Yeah. Take care, little bro.
So, the big question, where is DTD? As you can see behind me, there's not much going on right now. All the airplanes are flying. Got a King Air 100, the Baron, DC3, Electra's already gone, but DTD. So, for the diehard fans, you already know where it is. But for the normal, I guess, casual fans here on YouTube, the original plan was to bring DTD to Oshkosh, which is the world's biggest air show. It's going to be awesome. It's towards the end of July. So there's no real sense flying it all the way back here to Yellowknife because we're basically completely in the wrong direction. So up until the very last second, I didn't know where the airplane was going to go. A lot of museums reached out, said they would take it. But Jay Caldwell, Jay, he said that, hey, maybe we bring it to Thunder Bay. And I thought, yeah, that's perfect. Thunder Bay is perfect because Jay and Dusty are there.
This is June 22nd, episode 3 of Plane Sitting. It's Saturday, it's beautiful. It's probably 5 o'clock in the afternoon here in Thunder Bay. DTD's doing well. We just give it its 7-day run. Dustin's straightening out the props. And you guys can all rest assured this bird is doing well.
So it's sitting in Thunder Bay right now, and Jay's been taking care of it, which brings me to why a lot of diehard fans know where it is. There's a king air coming here, is because of the Facebook group. Facebook group, the Plane Savers Facebook group, which I'm going to be putting a link in below. It really has been a fan-made outlet to share information and sneak peeks on where DT is anywhere in the world, and actually some funny fan-made videos. I'm calling out Chip here right now. I'm going to show one of Chip's videos here as the king air goes by, enhancing the audio. Watch this thing by Chip.
Plane Savers!
So thank you, Chip. And that's kind of thing. So if you check out the Plane Savers Facebook group, not the page, the group, and it's amazing. So all the spy shots. There's going to be a DTD open house. I'm going to put more links in the description where people in the Thunder Bay area can go and see DTD, which is going to be absolutely amazing. And it's perfect. I love it. So so we're going to be in Oshkosh. I don't know what days we're going to be in Oshkosh. Most likely Wednesday. We're working on a whole bunch of stuff with EAA and AOPA for meet and greets and Plane Savers style events. It's going to be cool. There's going to be forums. There's going to be everything. There's going to be a lot of content. So hopefully going to see you guys and girls at Oshkosh this year. It's going to be amazing. Okay, so the big question after the Oshkosh question, meaning where's the airplane now? Thunder Bay going to Oshkosh, second one. What's going to happen with DTD? And to answer that question, we just have to go back and go think of the logistics of what happened. We took an airframe that was abandoned, and we put a bunch of parts on it, and we flew it with the help of some magnificent people. But going back to the parts, if you remember, both props are from WZS. They'll be expiring at Christmas, which means the props will have to be sent off to overhaul to Aviation BL. But the main thing is the number 2 engine here. If you remember from a very long time ago, episode Rod let us use the spare engine here for the Yellowknife. So theoretically, that engine has to come off and come here. The left engine has about 150 hours left on it to overhaul, which in DTT world could be a very long time, maybe 10, 15, 20 hours a year. You can do the math. So there's a savior. Engines right now are about 80,000 US brand new or freshly overhauled. We don't need that for DTD because we're not going to need that much time. So the next time one of these engines on any of the DC3s need to be took off due to time, we're just going to take it off a little bit early and put it on DTD, because an engine that doesn't have that much time on it doesn't have a commercial value, has a value for DTD. So hopefully that kind of makes sense. So it's going to be both engines, both props, which is going to be the mucho dinero. You're going to be looking at $80,000 bucks to bring it back to after returning that engine and the 2 props. DTD is going to be going to Red Deer after Oshkosh. It's going to be put into the Ronnie's hangar, and we're going to take the props off, ship them out for overhaul, and then wait for an engine. And but she's saved. She's going to be safe in the hangar. So the best place is Oshkosh. Oh yeah, enhancing the audio. So the best place to bring this to bring DTD for people to see it is Oshkosh. It's going to be the highest concentration of Plane Saver fans in one location possible. So I'm excited for that. Big question after that is what's next. Okay, so the big question would be is what is next? And actually here, we're back into the room here. Remember, here's the DC3 elevator that Dan Jones was working on. Still working on it a bit. I have a feeling we'll be seeing a lot more Dan Jones very soon. So what's next? Well, I'll be making a video probably pretty soon describing maybe the next evolution of how everything's going. So I hope you guys liked today's video. Hopefully I answered some of the major questions. I know there's a million little questions, but trust me, head over to the Plane Savers Facebook group. A lot of the stuff is answered there. Have fun and stay warm.